We're doing a starter replacement on a John Deere L111 model. This is a mid-1980s unit. You can see here's our starter. We have already removed the cover, just a couple of sheet metal screws. We took those out. And now you can see we have our starter. You got a bolt back here and the one on this side. We're going to take those out. We're going to disconnect this battery lead, and then we're going to disconnect this harness right here, and we'll replace our starter. To get at this bolt right over here, you're going to need to just open your hood up, because the socket won't fit in there because of your starter orientation. So the other one we've already got loosened on this side, so with a 1/2 inch socket. It is old school, not metric. Here's our starter. This is our starter. You can see this is what it looks like. So we're going to order a new starter for this unit. We've got our new starter right here, and you can see it's just about identical to the old one. Same size, same configuration. So everything here should be good. Here you can see the broken elements from our old starter. That's why this baby needs to be replaced. Okay, you can see the bolts are out now. We're going to hold the starter in place, and because I only have one hand, we're just going to show you that this fits in right in here. Okay, we're going to get that in there. Then we're going to line up the bolt holes and attach this starter. So you can see we have the bolts hand threaded in there. Now we'll just tighten them up with we need a open end wrench or a gear wrench here on the right side. On the left side, an extension on a ratchet and a socket, and we'll be able to tighten that up. For that right bolt, it'll help if you just lift the hood and get it out of the way. It'll give you a little more access to firmly get that bolt placed in there. It's a little tight, but a wrench will do it. Okay, so you just want to snug these babies up pretty tight, but don't get too carried away and strip out any threads or anything. There, she's in. Now we've just placed the wire on here onto our starter. You can see it's already in place. Got the harness attached already. Hand threading it to get it started. Okay, then you want to tighten that up. And it doesn't take too much. Again, get it nice and snug. There we go, all set. And the last part is just to throw this small cover over the top of your starter. We're going to attach a couple of small sheet metal screws there and on this end right here, and we are all set. We've got everything attached here. Our harness is all placed and our sheet metal screws are in for the cover. Our starter's all in. We are all set to go.